Okay, good morning everyone. How are you today? Good, good to hear that. Okay, so today we are going to read a great story. After we learn the story, each of you will be able to retell the story, then create a new story by your own. There's a card on your table. You can see there is a number and one color on it. Please take your stuff, your bags, your books, your pens with you and go to your color group first. Okay? I'm going to count down now. Please take your seat and stop talking when I count to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Everyone finds the group. Okay, let's see. There are 3 or 4 pictures on your table. Please work with your group members and then create a story based on the pictures you have. You have 8 minutes. You can tell any stories you like based on the pictures. Okay, you can talk now. Your voice level should be level 2 only. Okay, time's up. When I walk around, I heard some very great stories. They are very creative and very interesting. So I really want somebody can share their stories with us. Okay, Jasmine, your group go first. Okay, good story. Then Chase, do you want to come and tell us your stories? Good. Okay, very good. What do you think? Do you like them stories? I have to say all of you are doing an awesome job. Okay? Now let's watch a video together and see how the writer tells his stories. Okay. What do you think? How do you like the story? Who wants to share his or her ideas with us? Thank you for Luke and Sherry's opinion. Now, please pay attention to the screen. There are 3 questions I really want you to answer after you read the story, okay? The first question. What kind of food did the caterpillar eat each day? 2. Can you explain the process how a butterfly born? Okay. Number 3. Please circle the word you do not understand and write down any questions you have during reading. You are going to have 10 minutes to read the story by yourself. You can read it out or you can just read in silently, okay? But please remember to answer the questions because after you are reading, I really want you to share your ideas with us. All right? Okay. Now it's time for you to read the story. Also, please remember, always remember, you can ask questions after you read. Any questions relate to the stories, okay? I really want to know how you understand the story. All right. Time's up. Who can answer the first questions? Okay, that's a very good answer. Okay, I see Jason put his hand up. Jason, do you want to add something? Okay, good. Yes, very good. Okay, thank you for Jason. Let's move to the question 2. This really requires you to summarize the information, not just read the sentence on from the book. Okay, you need to summarize the information by using your own words. Okay, so it's a little bit hard. So I really want you to discuss with your group members first. You will have 2 to 3 minutes to do that. Okay, please tell me how are you going to explain the process. Okay, anyone want to share? Anyone? Okay, good. Good. You know what? I really like the way your group draw a mind map to deliver the information. It makes the whole stories more realized and more clear and more understandable. Okay. Please, let's give this group some applause, okay? They really do a great job. Okay. After reading, do you have any questions now? Okay, Brandon, what's your questions? It's a very good question. I'm very glad you asked. Actually, this is the grammar we are going to focus on today. So, when to use prepositions at, in, and on when we are talking about time? This is a very good question, right? So, in the book, we can see the phrase such as Monday, such as on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Let's take a look at more examples here. Please pay attention to the screen, okay? We have more examples here. After you read the examples, please summarize the ideas, okay? Let's look at the examples. At 3 o'clock, at 10 o'clock a.m., at noon, in May, in summer, in 1990, on March 23. Can anyone tell me what's the difference among at, in, and on? Okay, now which group wants to say first? Great. I like the way each group can speak up and share the ideas together, because we can learn from each other by this way. Okay, I'm going to summarize your ideas here. Please look at the screen, okay? And remember to take notes. At is used with precise time, such as 3 o'clock, at 10:30, we need to use the word at. In is used with months, years, centuries, and long periods. And for on is used with days and dates. Are we clear here? Okay. Did you write them down already? Very good. Now, I want to check if everyone really understands or not. Okay? Please take a look at the screen again. Here are 4 questions. I want you to fill in the blank by using at, in, and on. Okay? I need 4 students come here to write your answers on the screen. Then we can check the answer together. Very good. Okay, next we are going to write a book report. The book report should be a summary of the story. Describe what happened